What's going on, Dan? All right, so I'm on your deck, and here's the one thing. I mean, it is what it is. Everybody builds decks differently, but you don't have any water release anywhere on both sides of the steps. And there's a screw they left there. And so over time, this will dam up and rot because there's no way for the water to get off. That's why the steps should have been like that, so you can sweep through side to side. So this will be a problem down the road. This is why I don't use nails. And you have number 1 and number 2 wood, both, all over the place. Like right there, NO2. And you do have a lot of number 1. And you have nail pops here already because they use nails. And that's okay. There's a beautiful deck. Beautiful deck. Just a lot of number 2 and some number 1. See, even the joists say number 2. They're very well built though. So that's my concern. And doing under the steps, if we clean and seal under there, a lot of wires. I mean, I can still seal under there, but I'm not taking the decks, I'm not taking the wires apart. Ain't happening. So, is doing under here necessary? No, because you're doing most of your entertaining on top. But the cross beams will get done, the post will get done, everything but underneath the deck. And I would not do under the staircase. And you're still looking at probably the same chunk of change. It's a lot of wood here. Anybody else, I would charge more. So anyways, I'll send you this video via YouTube. Here's another thing, and I took pictures. It's already crooked because they didn't put any spacers in between, in between here. So it's already starting to warp. They could have used more. They could have used about 5 or 6 of those per side. And when you come over here, it's the same thing. It's already starting to warp. So they could have used a 2x4, would have been stronger. Anyways, nice looking deck. Little odd that they're using staples. Really? They didn't even put them on all of the, they didn't secure them to all the pickets. So right now it's solid, but it'll probably come apart a couple years unless you re-secure them. Anyways, not dogging your deck. Very nice aesthetically and strength. I'll send this video to you via YouTube.